Hey guys, so today I have my Beautylish Lucky Bag. So let's find out what's in here. Last year I got a super lucky bag, so I highly doubt I'll get one again, but hopefully I still got some good stuff. Okay, so opening this up. First thing in here is wrapped in this big pouch. Okay, so the first thing in here says coming soon. So I guess this is a new product. This is from Good Molecules and it's their Wake Up Eye Serum formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. That's really funny because I think last year I got the ordinary caffeine solution for under the eyes. So again, I get an eye serum twice in a row. That's interesting. But I guess this is a new brand coming to Beautylish. So I'm not sure how much this would retail for since it's new. So that's pretty cool. All right, next in here we have this Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I have this already and I really like it. It smells so nice, just like rich people, I don't know. But I feel like it does really help to get rid of that oily, dirty feeling in your hair and just revives it. And it adds good texture to your hair. You don't really have to use it just as a dry shampoo. You can just use it to give your hair some texture. I really like it for that. And this size retails for $22. So that's a nice product. I know I already like that. Okay, next in here are these Ardell Wispies lashes. I don't use lashes very much, so I'm not sure how much I'll use these, but if I were to use lashes, they'd definitely be this kind. I like more wispy, fluttery lashes, so I don't know, I'll try them out. I don't use lashes too much, but they're worth trying. And these retail for $3.50. Okay, next in here we have a Wayne Goss brush. This is the number 17. Looks like a tapered crease brush. I love Wayne Goss and I haven't tried any of his brushes yet, so this is pretty cool. I really like this brush. It feels really nice. Definitely the kind of brush I'd use. I have like 10,000 crease brushes, but what's one more? And this brush retails for $28, so that's a deal. Okay, next in here is something wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, so this is the R+Co Crown Scalp Scrub. So this is just like a exfoliator for your scalp. I really like these. I have a dry scalp a lot of the time, even though my hair gets oily, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I really like using exfoliators on my scalp. I really like the Briogeo exfoliating shampoo stuff, so I will definitely try this one out. And this retails for $38. Next thing in here is also in bubble wrap. Okay, so this is the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. I haven't gotten around to trying this yet. This is one of her newer palettes. It looks like this. Let's swatch it really quick. Why not? Layer. Whew, okay. So, I mean, those swatch pretty nice. I really like Natasha Denona shadows, so hopefully these will be just as good. I will definitely try them out. And this palette retails for $48. Okay, and the last thing in here looks like it's from Jouer, and this is the Best of Nudes lip cream collection. I really do like Jouer lip creams. I think I got a Jouer lip cream in my last Beautylish Lucky Bag. So that's interesting. So this comes with 8 different lip creams, all in nude shades. It looks like there's 2 metallics and then the rest are mattes. So I do really like this formula. It's very thin and pigmented on the lips. I really do like these, so that's pretty cool. And this retails for $34. Okay, so the total value of this year's box, minus the eye serum, because I don't know how much that would cost, is $173.50. Beautylish guarantees that you will get at least $150 with the regular Lucky Bag. So I think I got a pretty good deal. Let me know if you grabbed a Lucky Bag this year and which one you got. They also had a Jeffree Star bag and then the XL bag. So let me know if you picked one up and what you got, and I will see you in my next video.